Good morning everyone, myself Innorin Mondal, Assistant Professor in Mechanical Engineering Department. Today I am going to present part 3 of gas turbine. Let's start the discussion. Optimum pressure ratio for maximum cycle thermal efficiency. This is the temperature versus entropy diagram for actual compression and expansion on TS diagram in closed cycle gas turbine. The actual heat supplied per kilogram of working fluid is given by Q suffix S is equal to Cp into T3 minus T2. This can be appropriately taken as Cp into T3 minus T2 dashed without introducing any appreciable error. Considering heat supplied is equal to Cp into T3 minus T2 dashed. The thermal efficiency of the cycle is given by the ratio of WA by QS, where WA is the actual work done that is available per kilogram of working fluid, and QS is heat supplied. Putting the values of the work available per kilogram of working fluid, Cp into T3 minus T4 minus Cp into T2 minus T1 by heat supplied Cp into T3 minus T2 dashed, eta T into T3 minus T4 dash minus 1 by eta C T2 dash minus T1, where you can get this value eta T into T3 1 minus T4 dash by T1 minus T1 by eta C T2 dash by T1 minus 1 by T1 into T3 minus T1 minus T2 dash by T1. But T2 dashed by T1 is equal to T3 by T4 dashed, and put the values P2 by P1 to the power gamma minus 1 by gamma is equal to R suffix P to the power gamma minus 1 by gamma. So eta TH, that is thermal efficiency of the cycle, is equal to eta T into T3 1 minus 1 by Rp to the power gamma minus 1 by gamma minus T1 by eta C Rp gamma minus 1 by gamma minus 1 by T1 into T3 by T1 minus Rp to the power gamma minus 1 by gamma. This is the thermal efficiency of the cycle. The thermal efficiency of the cycle is only dependent on Rp for the fixed value of temperature range of the cycle T3 and T1, where Rp is the ratio of P2 by P1. The condition for the maximum value of thermal efficiency for given temperature limit is d of eta Th by d of Rp equal to 0. So after differentiating and equating to 0, you will get the value of R suffix P is equal to T3 by T1 by 1 plus root over of T3 by T1 minus 1 into 1 by eta T into eta C minus 1 to the power gamma by gamma minus 1. This is equation number 12. Substituting the value of Rp from equation 12 into equation 12 into equation 11. Then it is obvious from the above discussion that the maximum thermal efficiency of the cycle is a function of Rp and T3 for the given compressor inlet temperature and machine efficiencies eta C and eta T, compressor efficiency and turbine efficiency. The value of the maximum thermal efficiency increases with an increase in turbine inlet temperature, and there is an optimum pressure ratio where the thermal efficiency is maximum for the given turbine inlet temperature. Let's discuss open cycle constant pressure gas turbine. In this type of turbine, the fuel is burned with the air coming out from the compressor into the combustion chamber. The products of combustion formed in the combustion chamber are passed through the turbine and develop the required work. Part of the work developed is used to run the compressor. The gases leaving the turbine are exhausted to atmosphere. This is open cycle gas turbine plant, and this is temperature versus entropy diagram. The analysis used for closed cycle can also be used in open cycle provided the fuel mass compared with air mass is neglected and properties exhaust gases are considered similar to the properties of air. If the mass of fuel is considered and properties of gases are considered different than the properties of air, then the following analysis is used. W suffix T is equal to Ma plus Mf. Ma and Mf are the masses of air and supplied per second, and Cpg and Cpa are the heats of gases and air respectively. So W suffix T is equal to Ma plus Mf into Cpg T3 minus T4, and We is equal to Ma into Cpa T2 minus T1. Mf is the masses of fuel supplied per second. So available work Wa is equal to Wt minus Wc. Putting the values of Wt and Wc, you will get Ma plus Mf into Cpg into T3 minus T4 minus Ma into Cpa T2 minus T1. This is equation number 13. The net heat supplied is given by Q is equal to Mf into Cv, calorific value. The thermal efficiency of the actual open cycle is given by, it is the ratio of work available by heat supplied. Putting the values of Wa and Qs, then you will get the equation number 14, that is Ma plus Mf into Cpg into T3 minus T4 minus Ma into Cpa T2 minus T1 by Mf into calorific value. The open cycle unit is very light compared to closed cycle unit, as the heat exchangers used in closed cycle units are very bulky. These are all about optimum pressure ratio for maximum cycle thermal efficiency in closed cycle gas turbine and open cycle constant gas turbine analysis. If you want to get more videos, please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you.